It was a bright Saturday morning in a quiet neighborhood. The warm sunlight streamed through the curtains of 12-year-old Emma's bedroom. Birds chirped happily outside, and the gentle breeze made the trees sway, but Emma's room was anything but peaceful. Books were stacked on the floor. Clothes were hanging from the chair. Toys were scattered under the bed. Art supplies covered the desk. There wasn't even enough space to walk without stepping on something. Emma stood in the doorway and sighed. "Oh no," she whispered. "How did my room get this messy?" Just then, her mother smiled and said, "Emma, today is the perfect day for a challenge." Emma asked with curiosity. "Yes," her mother replied. "Can you clean your room in one morning? If you do, you'll feel proud of yourself and maybe even find something you've been looking for." Clean bedroom challenge, a challenge? Emma asked with curiosity. "Yes," her mother replied. "Can you clean your room in one morning? If you do, you'll feel proud of yourself and maybe even find something you've been looking for." Emma laughed. "I accept the challenge." She grabbed a notebook and wrote the words, "The Clean Bedroom Challenge." Then she made a simple plan: pick up clothes, put toys away, organize books, clean the desk, sweep and dust, make the bed, step by step. She told herself. She started with the clothes. Dirty clothes went into the laundry basket. Clean clothes were folded neatly and placed inside the wardrobe. Soon, the chair appeared again. One job finished. Emma cheered. Next came the toys. She found stuffed animals hiding under the bed, building blocks behind the door, and tiny toy cars beneath the desk. Every toy found its proper place. As she cleaned, she discovered a missing puzzle piece. "I've been looking for this for weeks," she laughed. Her little brother Noel peeked into the room. "Wow, you're really cleaning. It's a challenge." Emma smiled. "Can I help?" "Of course." Noah happily gathered crayons and placed them into a colorful box. Working together made everything easier. Then Emma organized her bookshelf. Storybooks went on one shelf. School books went on another. Drawing books stood neatly beside them. While arranging the books, she found an old diary from last year. She sat on the floor and smiled while reading a few pages. "I remember this picnic." She laughed, but then she remembered the challenge. No distractions. She carefully put the diary back. Next came the desk. Pencils were sharpened. Markers were sorted by color. Paper was stacked neatly. Her computer was dusted, and the desk looked almost new. When she opened one drawer, she found several forgotten treasures: a friendship bracelet, a shiny marble, a birthday card from Grandma, a small photo of her family at the beach. Emma smiled warmly. Cleaning wasn't just about making things tidy. It was also about remembering happy moments. Now only one big job remained: dusting. Emma used a soft cloth to wipe the shelves, windowsill, and bedside table. Tiny dust clouds floated through the sunlight. She sneezed. Achoo. Noah giggled. Bless you. Soon every surface sparkled. Finally, Emma swept the floor until it was completely clean. She made her bed carefully. The blanket was smooth. The pillows were fluffy. Everything looked fresh and welcoming. Just then, her father came home. Wow, he exclaimed. Is this really Emma's room? Everyone laughed. It sure is, Emma said proudly. Her parents smiled. You did an excellent job, but the best reward, her mother said, is how nice your room feels now. Emma looked around. The room seemed bigger, brighter, peaceful. She could find everything easily. That afternoon, her friend Lily came to visit. Your room looks amazing, Lily said. Thanks, Emma replied. It took some work, but it was worth it. Lily smiled. Maybe I'll try the clean bedroom challenge too. The girls spent the afternoon reading books, drawing pictures, and playing games. When it was time to clean up after playing, they didn't leave anything lying around. They put everything back immediately. It only takes a few minutes, Emma said, and it keeps the room tidy. The next morning, Emma woke up feeling happy. Instead of searching for her school bag, she found it right where she had placed it. Her shoes were together.